Earn $9 searching the internet. So just like this, you go online and you search what is the best gym gear, right? Boom, and you search. So I'm going to show you a way how to earn $9. Easy method, just searching the internet. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. If you're brand new, my name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways. So just like what I just did, you're going to be doing some searches and you're going to get paid just for doing it. So I would call that the lazy money. So earn $9 over and over, multiple times, earn $9 just to search internet. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So right here, this is my YouTube channel. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I could share my ideas with you so you can just go out there and you could crush it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So where we're going to search and how we're going to make money is not on Google. So that's a good thing. So I know I was just on Google, but I'm just going to share with you. So how we're going to do this, we're going to go over to Microsoft. And with Microsoft and Google, they have competition because everybody wants people on their platform to do things, to search, to find anything that they're looking for. So with Microsoft is connected with large search engine. So on here, they will reward you just to come on here and you could do searches. So what you have to do, you gotta type in Microsoft.com/rewards. So Microsoft.com/rewards. And you gotta have an account with Microsoft in order to do this. So you could sign up, it's absolutely free. There's no money down, so you could just sign up. So click on here where it says sign up for free and you could get started. How it works, you can click in this area, but I'm just going to scroll through here so you can see. So meet the rewards. So you redeem your points for gift cards, sweepstakes entries, nonprofit donation, and more. It's easiest way to get reward for doing things you already love. So here is the cool thing about this. You're going to make money just for doing searches, right? So just like how you go to Google and you go type in something, I would advise you, once you sign up for this, start using Microsoft. So start searching for different things that you're looking for. So right here, as it says, search to earn, 5 points per search. Sign in Microsoft account and search on Bing to keep putting points on the board. When you have leveled up, you'll earn faster. So they have different levels to choose from. You can also shop and earn. You get like 1 point per dollar. Of course, on here they sell like laptops, they sell all that type of stuff. And if you come on here and you buy stuff from Microsoft, you can also earn money. So there's multiple ways exactly how it's done. I'm just going to scroll up here, and if you click where it says earn, you click on search to earn, shop to earn on the go, earn on Xbox. So if you do have an Xbox and you play consistently, you could sign up for this and you can earn money. Now, I'm not going to tell you you're going to come on here, you're going to make a ton of money doing this, but it's just a great way how you can make money doing something that you already love. So if I click on the search to earn, so search and earn with Microsoft rewards. So earn easy rewards. So you could do this on your tablet, you could do this on your phone, you could do this on your PC. Once you sign up, you watch your points rise, and then you can redeem your prizes. So game for everything, same thing, you could sign up. So right down here, I'm showing you that for level 1 members, you can earn 5 points per day, 150 points per month when searching Bing in Microsoft Edge on PC or mobile. Everybody knows Bing. Bing is another great large search engine, just like Google. So people go on Bing all the time and they search. They just go on Yahoo. So level 2 Microsoft, earn up to 20 points a day, 600 points a month when searching Bing and Microsoft. So again, if you're looking for something, you want to know what the weather is like today, or what to eat, or how to cook pasta and all that type of stuff, start going on Microsoft and search, because you're going to redeem points, and at the end of the month, you can redeem it. So I went and I figured this out. and I went onto a website. So how much can you earn with Microsoft Rewards? So this really depends on how actively you search on Bing and complete the offer. So this is also depend on your status level. So remember, there's 2 levels, level 1, level 2. It's pretty easy to rack up 500 points, and I did that in just a couple days. So this is an article that I found right over here, and it tells you like how much you can earn per Microsoft, and you could just go through here. There's level 2, and total there's only 9,150 points per month, and you can earn like $9 over and over. So it's an easy $9 per month with just virtually no work. So you're actually not doing anything. You're getting paid just to search. So as I told you before, this is not going to get you like super rich. It's not going to give you a lot of money, but it's another way how to make a little bit of money while you're searching. So if you're already searching the internet, why just sign up for this and make money here and there and just cash out at the end of the month? So even if you make $9.15 per month, that's not going to do a lot of justice. But again, you can make some money. So that's like free money just to sign up and do things that you already love. But if you're looking for my number 1 recommendation and you're looking for a life-changing opportunity, you're looking to travel more, take your family on vacation, all that type of stuff, I advise you to check out the link down below, right? So check out the link, see what I have to offer, and just sign up. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make it too long and take up too much of your time, but you can earn $9 just searching the web, searching the internet. And it's super easy. It's something that you're already doing. So why not just sign up for it and make money? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. My name is Andre. Hope you enjoy that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.